Hi friends, welcome to Sarkandron LDC classes. Here we are going to discuss 100 question of general knowledge. Let us start the class. Father of political science, Aristotle. 50 over Men's World Cup Cricket 2023 venue, India. Percentage of nitrogen in air, 78%. Shortcut key for print preview in Microsoft Word or Excel, Control plus F2. International Day of the Girl Child, October 11. Ratna Rangini related to which state? Kashmir. Most successful team of FIFA World Cup, Brazil. Unit of force is Newton. Speaker of Lok Sabha gives his resignation to Deputy Speaker. Validity time of check 3 months. GST came into effect from 1/7/2017. Under RTI Act 2005, the second appeal can be filed after 45 days after filing of first appeal or immediately after first appellate authority decision. Chennai Metro Rail began operation in the year 2015. Capital of Konkan Railway is Navi Mumbai. How many fundamental duties we have in our constitution? 11. Women helpline number is 181. A study of soul called as pedology. Aryabhatta was launched in the year of 1975. Ozone formula is O3. Which gas is filled in balloons? Helium. India's first supercomputer, Param 8000. Atomic number of oxygen, 8. Who became the only Indian Governor General? Rajaji. Largest silk producer state in India, Karnataka. Number Rajya Sabha MPs in Tamil Nadu and Kerala. In Tamil Nadu 18, in Kerala 9. Digestive acid in human body is HCl. Where is Pashupatinath temple? In Nepal. What is the normal temperature of human body? 98.6 Fahrenheit, 36.9 Celsius, 310.15 Kelvin. All of the above is your answer. Gopalpur beach is located in Odisha. The minimum voting age in India is 18 years. Capital of Pallavas, Kanchipuram. Rainwater is a kind of distilled water. Kidney is a excretory organs. Indira Point is located at Andaman and Nicobar. Who is the Cape of Good Hope? First, Bartholomew Diaz. What is the universal acceptor blood type? AB positive. PV Sindhu associated with badminton. Hardest substance in the world is diamond. The number of delegates who attend the first session of the Indian National Congress was 72. Who among the following presented union budget maximum number of times? Morarji Desai. First woman railway minister of the India, Mamata Banerjee. Which one of the following is kept in kerosene? Potassium. Who invented the X-ray? Rontgen. Who is the 11th president of India? APJ Abdul Kalam. First classical language in India, Tamil. Article 360 of Indian Constitution is related to financial emergency. Who built the Nalanda University? Kumar Gupta. Where is the diamond cutting industry located in India? Surat. Which medicine is known as the queen of drugs? Penicillin. Total number of members in National Human Rights Commission is 1+4. Pongal festival is celebrated every year in Tamil Nadu in January month. Independence Day is celebrated every year in 15th of August. Republic Day is celebrated every year in India 26th of January. First Prime Minister of India, Sri Jawaharlal Nehru. First Deputy Prime Minister of India, Sri Vallabhbhai Patel. Red Fort situated at New Delhi. Charminar situated at Hyderabad. A salute of 21 guns is fired on Independence Day flag hosting. Ellora Caves located at Maharashtra. Major part of Auloville city land in Tamil Nadu. Present governor of Tamil Nadu is, tell me who is? Banwari Lal Purohit. Srimati Sarojini Naidu was known as Nightingale of India. Madurai is situated on the bank of Vaigai. Rabindranath Tagore was a well-known Bengali poet. Lactometer helps to measure the density of milk. Sri Harikota is known for space research. Olympic flags has 5 number of intertwined rings. Thomas Alva Edison invented electric lamp. India's first president was Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Smallest continent in the world is Australia. Largest planet is Jupiter. Florence Nightingale was called as Lady with a Lamp. Hiroshima and Nagasaki were bombed during World War II. Kolkata is the capital of West Bengal. Present Vice President of India is, tell me who is the present Vice President of India? Present Chief Minister of Kerala, Pinarayi Vijayan. Who built Taj Mahal? Shah Jahan. Metro dam built across the river of Kaveri. Urea is used as fertilizer. What does white color in our national flag stands for? Truth and peace. Which city called as financial capital of India? Mumbai. Which country is leading in production of rubber? Malaysia. Flag flowing at half mast signifying sign of mourning. The national sports of India is hockey. Headquarters of Reserve Bank is Mumbai. Human Rights Day, December 10th. Largest employer in India in single organization is Indian Railways. Largest desert in the world is Sahara Desert. Find out the correct alternative. Chennai, Mumbai, Kochi, Port. Find out the correct alternative. Sun, Earth, Moon, Solar System. Find out the correct alternative. January, June, July, months. Arthashastra is known as Kautilya. Dr. Ambedkar is associated with Constitution of India. The film Hey Ram was directed by Kamal Hassan. Rahul Dravid is associated with cricket. The largest bus stand in Asia is in Chennai. In Arunachal Pradesh, Aruna means sun. Tirukural was written by Tiruvalluvar. Tiruvalluvar. A town with 2 railway zones. Headquarters is Mumbai. Bharat Ratna was given to Rajaji in the year 1954. Here, friends, we are discussing very VBI 100 questions of general knowledge, which is very necessary. Okay, I hope you will remember and memorize. Thank you.